forged in pressure, reflected in 2 gold stars earned. Shine on, Masandawana. Shine on.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting. itiskitimes.co.za. It's offer time. I am 10-8 iqalile for the season ka 2026-2027. Defending champions with like a Durban City. I'm sure ikona indoda kuthiwa chairman izolala ubuthongo behlayo namhlanje. Because last time these two teams played, he said zange abe nobuthongo behlayo because one of players at Durban City, man of the match namhlanje uNcanana, he said Orlando Pirates is just a name. He couldn't sleep, but namhlanje I'm sure he will sleep like a baby. Junior, mandukubuza mfethu kunjani?
Shane kunjani my brother?
I'm okay.
Ngibulise Justice Shabalala nkululeko my brother. Ngibulise ububu, ngibulise uBenedict Sovilakazi. Bafethu kunjani? Keep on supporting iDiski TV, fighting on trying to fix South African football. Mfethu ngicela ukudlulisa this message to mfana Michael Zizungambule. Yeah. The boy may his soul rest in peace. Shane mfethu emoyeni ukuthi Spain imeluza Spain. Mara emoyeni angikho grand. He's my boy lo mfana yabo. I think ukusuka ekhaya ukakabule yamfana boma 7 to 8 minutes. Mfana okhulela phambi kwamehlo wami yabo. Ngimcoachile lo mfana from North Stars and ngikhula nabo ubhuti bakhe utso ubhuti wakhe uJoe abo mapinki. I know the family yabona mfana ose next to my heart. Mfana bengisipana na ku Junior Kanye TV on our podcast. Uyazi ukuthi every Monday we drop. May his soul rest in peace. The boy was coming all right. Ngeke ngamka chance da Sithema sisipande boy, honestly bengimtshela every day big things are coming for you. Mfana bekeza kahle shini dedicated espanini sakhe. Unfortunately mfana passed on yesterday. Ngitshela ubhuti wakhe ngeke ngayombona esibhedlela yabona. And touching mfethu ingithashe kakhulu Shane because the way bekabuya ngakhona abantu abazi behind closed doors. So may his soul rest in peace nomndeni wakhe mfethu bakaNkambule angazi mfethu honestly.
Well, Junior, from all of us up at Diski TV, Diski Times, and of course nabalandeli bethu beDiski TV, all South Africa as a whole, we send our deepest condolences to the Nkambule family. But Junior, masingene emidlalweni mfowethu besibukele umdlalo wokuqala we-10-8. We'll cover the next game, Sundowns and Polokwane City. But iParis namhlanje extra time, last second strike from uGambani Lungu. But masithende ngomdlalo nje overall. Ubone njani umdlalo weParis neDurban City namhlanje?
Yeah, already upane ifaka i-grab his opportunity, especially last season uqale kanje. Bamqale Shane ngifuna ukuyisho this thing uqale nama game last season after pre-season. If he doesn't grab his chances ukudlala kwaLorlando Pirates this year kuzoba i-chance yakhe yokugcina. I can tell you today got the chance akayisebenzisanga lo chance again according to me going to the game. Orlando Pirates, I think this is a game I think Melon complimented this boy Dansil again. Good game for him. For me, another good game. Complementer talent butter. This is a game wing forward. The Orlando Pirates never come to the party. Nkhuluma first half. Ngibona uNdaba, ngibona uSibelebele more involved on the game. Pirates be attacking ngama wing back. Wing forward not much in the game. I understand. Well done to this boy who dancing him naye uMbatha. I think they control midfield very well. Tito Masongai, he game naye engibona ukuthi I think he never had a good game for me. I can say that. He experienced player, not much on the game. Ngikhuluma going forward. Utita I think ukuleka speed sakhe kube disadvantage yakhe. Beka dropper too much. He had two midfielders unprotected. That they were involved in boy two. Ngikhuluma beba complementary. It's more of box to box. NH level, technically very good. Improve your talent but mfethu. Honestly, ngoba beba complementary yena no dancing. They control midfield, but to number 10 wabo I think beka dropper too much. Now isolate this guy uKwanela Mbudumo. And not Pirates, I still believe they need a striker. Shane, Mbutuma not much. We don't need a striker or move away from it.
Did they create enough chances, namhlanje, Junior? Because I want to come in defense of Radio Pane and also Mbutuma. I know ukuthi is a striker that Ura Depan has been proven with DDC, but now sithetha nge-highest standard of South African football, of which is the PSL. But xa sithetha ngabo namhlanje, did they receive chances enough for us to say ukuthi they didn't have a good game, or mhlambi they didn't grab the opportunity namhlanje?
Yeah, one ithi ngiqale ngiphendule yomuntu owande ombuduma.
Yeah.
Mawudlala away from move away there as a striker, udlala ngathi uyi-attacker. And then you're not going to get chances. Anginankinga ne-strike mobile, but your runs must be clever. You can't be away from the box, and then you're not going to get chances. You can't play midfielders for that. But number 10, I think they will miss really, these guys. Team Shane, Orlando Pirates, they will miss really. Number 10, we feeder, a striker, which is Umbutuma. You understand? And Utito drop too much. I think it's disadvantage yakho in speed. He can't run behind the defense. Kuna manyama pocket boy by bamthola Utito uthola ukuthi I think Manepi is slow. You understand? And it defense always alert. Ama wing forward wenu ngizosho namhlanje police not much on the game. Him and Mreme yiko ngithi ngibona undaba more going down the line more than this guy yena Umreme. Not much on the game ngikhuluma ngama wing forward wenu. Ngikhuluma nga first half. Ama wing back attach ibola more than they were involved more kuma attack wenu. I think ucoach into abatshele yona ukuthi hayi into azitshele yona nginankinga ene nawo ama forward wenu lawo ngikhuluma nga front right and left azanga offer anything ngikhuluma nga first half. But Orlando Pirates I think push these guys ngoba into enzile na iDurban City. In modern football gone are the days whereby you playing a defensive midfield efana ne center back. Coach I think uBen ngimcredit ke mina namhlanje by studying Orlando Pirates, but the downfall yakhe ukudlala ngoPogempude I think mina ngibona ngathi kumlethe down. Udlala ngoSerino as a right forward player. Udlala nga this boy, one of the best talent, which is abakamniki chance. It's a pity ukuthi career sometimes akwenze ngalendlela ufuna ngayo.
Sifumba. Oh
yeah,
yeah.
Udlala nga two wingers na this guy Lubumba, which is a striker.
The striker, yeah. There was also no data.
No data there. Udlala ngo data na this guy uPogempu, no Sangi. Now the other low oil link between defense and attack is not comfortable. He can't play with tight spaces. In order for Unotata Dlale, we need this guy to be so more calm. You understand? Comfortable, technically superior, good. But now, if this guy every time, Aksumunto Linka, he does very defensive midfield. Not that is more for box to box. Go forward to coach Funa Leontole. Low Sang is more for number 10. But now this one I can land the ball. How are you gonna see the best of Serino? Because akunamuntu supplier. You understand? Ipolaliza ngama aerial ball kuzobanzima. Nali boys sifumbu pegi hijacking kanani. Now Lubumba, I think first half nabo ba respected too much Orlando Pirates. He build up at the back to have so many ball position. And now Pirates mangabe this boy Siema is technically very good. Mangabe am allow with abambi bola, you're gonna get hurt because accuracy ngama passes working, ngama long pass. Now we Durban City. He allow Orlando Pirates to have so many ball position at the back. Laba baba press corner the space up behind. Ngoba midfield need to push. Mangabe ba press these guys. And then in defense maba pusher a bit slow at the back and then Maldana la behind. And then go by problem. By a mistake by Orlando Pirates penalty. Now game plan we had to change. You understand? Our coach was changing. Ngimbonile maka change dimension yabo. Pirates got a penalty, good penalty from Tito Masangai. And game up tracker extra second half. Second half, I think Orlando Pirates mistake that they did. Akunankinga ukudlala under instruction, but players need to be creative now. You understand? Ngoba ngibonile coach wadu inter-instructed to Orlando Pirates players. Asin wide. And then you overload both sides. Asin wide, and then you put crosses. Ufaka ama cross, ufaka this guy. Ukuphendula futhi ngale striker leso uRadio Pan. Watholile ama chance. Sometimes makumele shoot ama back pass. He got chances. Kunelinye ibhola bamnika lona i-back pass there. You go straight to the direct to goalkeeper. Back position ka goalkeeper and then pick a spot and ngiwe khonini. So watholile ke yena ama chance. He got chances second half. Bekumele ngabe uPerrier. Umuntu ongawatholanga nayo because of movement yakhe is wrong. umbuduma. So ukuphendula nangaye watholile uRadio phane but ama back pass sometimes angeke wathola manje angeke there's two defenders behind you there's no chances amanye uzowathola slight chances mawathola ubhekuliyo makathola ama chance lo we Sundowns sometimes akathola ama chance big just slightly chance you bury them. So second half I think badlale under instruction coach ukuthi let's go wide, overload both sides, we put crosses but udlala nga this guy uRedo Pane boxing him alone abanye they more shorter and coach anginankinga sometimes ama signing Orlando Pirates unnecessary. I will say that lentwana lezi I don't think it was the right time for promoting bonke. You understand? No, Champions League, Shane. You guys are defending champions between Premiership. Yonke team endlala nayo. It's more of a cup final. So you need experienced players more than these kids. I'm not king promoter, but some of them they needed to balloon once. You understand? Promote one or two. Now, kono pegi timing over ngayo. You understand? Because Paradise need defending need defending the cup. You understand? So going to Devon City need telele ngalendlela. Or le game lane question I lose going to my penalty and my penalty is anybody. Lottery. So I think they are lucky. You guys are lucky to win this game. Nyas kuti no create la chance, but my chances win. They were not, for me, only 1 or 2, especially second half clear-cut chances because of you guys in like creativity. As could be Jvar, because been too direct. In fact, near white they put crosses. Who call keep thank you. So he came in frustrated. I think you guys were frustrated by Devon City, but well done to Ben. Ngoba in Zile na second half we were at the spark. Sub couple of sub. Ngbonile keeper this guy Lubumba. Faga this guy. Lowest striker from Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, Junior, we're getting a signal from Sorengo Carter, but getting a signal where to watch the second game of Sundowns and Polokwane City. Sorry for Ngokata, Junior. Otherwise, if we had more time, I would allow you. But we have to take instructions. Namhlanje Orlando Stadium is Orlando Pirates 2, Devon City 1. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.